Friends, open Picsart app. Now tap on plus icon. Now select backgrounds. Now select the white color. The first step, tap on tools. Now select the crop option. Now select the portrait option. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select model image. Friends, this is model image. Simply stretch it like this and arrange it in the center like this. It is perfect. Now scroll up. Select the adjust option. Now select the saturation and keep it -100. Now decrease little shadow and increase little highlights. Now tap on tick mark. Tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select background image. Background image. Scroll up. Select the blend option. Now select the screen. Zoom out. Bring little down. Perfect. Now go to FX. Select the black and white and select black and white. Now tap on tick mark. You can see it is perfect. Now tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Decrease size. Erase on the face. Friends, now it is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select light PNG. Scroll up, select the blend option. Now select the screen. Arrange it in center. Go to adjust. Select the saturation. Saturation to -100. Tap on tick. Zoom out. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select birds PNG. Now arrange birds in this portion. Tap on flip rotate, select the third one and arrange another birds in this portion. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select standing pose model image. Then this is a shadow effect. This standing pose model image. Arrange in the center. Now bring the shadow effect. Keep under the model. Tap on layers. Tap on move down. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to tools. Next step, go to FX. Select the simple. Scroll to the left. Tap on low mo option. Decrease amount to 0 and vignette to 0. Tap on eraser. Tap on erase. Erase on the hands. Erase on the face. Now tap on tick. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to tools. Tap on adjust. Increase saturation. Decrease little highlights. Decrease little shadow. Increase clarity. Increase little contrast. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our tutorial is completed. This is before and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.